Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make cherry blueberry crisp. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Then lightly grease an 8 or 9 inch square pan. Use a stone or glass pan if you would like the crisp to stay hot longer. If you use a metal or non-stick pan, it cools fast. And set it aside for now. Then wash the cherries. Then you need to remove the pits from each one. What I like to do is just break it in half and pull the pit out. Then place the cherries into a large bowl and add in the blueberries that have been washed, lemon zest, lemon juice, sugar, and cornstarch, and gently mix them together until they're combined. Pour the filling into the prepared pan and set it aside for now. To make the crumb topping, in a medium bowl, add in the brown sugar, rolled oats, flour, salt, cinnamon, which is optional, and cold cubed butter. And use your fingers to rub and squeeze the butter into the mixture until it's combined and crumbly, but still has some large chunks of butter intact. Then sprinkle it evenly over the top of the filling in the pan. And bake it in the oven for about 30 minutes until the filling is tender and bubbly and the topping is golden brown. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for 10 minutes. And it can be served hot, warm, or at room temperature. And even better, served with ice cream or whipped cream. And that's how to make cherry blueberry crisp. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.